Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mohua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. We already started our revision part of grammar. Today we will learn chapter 13 articles. Articles. Do you know A and the? English has three articles, a, an and the. These articles are used before nouns to show whether the nouns are general or specific. Learning how to use a, an and the can take time. To speed up the process, this English articles tutorial includes descriptions and exercises to make every English learner an articles expert. So today we will go as per our textbook. A, an and the are called articles. They are used before nouns and noun phrases. First we go as per a and an. A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with consonant sounds. Do you know? A, E, I, O, U, it's called vowel. Remain alphabets are called consonant. A cow, a soap, a uniform, a unit, a glass of milk, a mischievous boy. An. An is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with vowel sounds. An ink pot, an egg, an unkind remark, an or. A and an are called the indefinite articles because they refer in general to any person, animal or thing. Now we go as per the. The is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, animal or thing. Specific, particular. Okay. The following are the important uses of the before a noun that refers to something specific or a noun that has already been mentioned. The dress Neha bought is very colorful. They talk about dress which one bought by Neha, already bought. In this sentence we are not talking about any dress but the particular dress that Neha bought. I saw a film yesterday. The film was very interesting. Which one film? We already seen. Okay. We use the definite article in the second sentence because we are talking about the film which has already been mentioned in the first sentence. Before a singular countable noun, when it represents the whole class it belongs to. The dog is a faithful animal. The banyan tree is used. Okay, countable noun. Before superlative and before nouns that refers to something unique. I am the tallest girl in my class. We particularly talk about the tallest girl among the class. Do you know the superlative degree? Okay, comparison. The sun sets in the west. Each noun here refers to something that is unique. Sun always sets in the west, rises in the east. The moon shines in the sky. That is unique and only one kind of its. Okay. Before some proper nouns like the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings and newspapers. The Nile flows through Egypt, particular river name. A ship drowned in the Arabian Sea, particular sea name. He read a few verses from the Bible. Do you know? No, the Bible is a holy book of Christian. So here we talk about particular holy book. So we put before that article the Bible. Okay. So you understand that. Now next rule. Before countable nouns that have been made particular. I drank the milk which one I already drink. The wood used by the carpenter was of poor quality. Before names of the inhabitants of various countries. The French are known for their style and manners. The Japanese work hard. Particular language and country. We do not use the in the following context. Look here. Before proper nouns except in the cases mentioned in the list above. Mohit lives in the Paris. Don't write, only write Paris. Before abstract nouns and uncountable nouns unless they have been made particular. Wisdom comes with age only. Juice is very refreshing. Before plural nouns when they are used in a general sense. Animals cannot talk. Don't write the animals. We already talk about animals. Before the names of some material like gold, silver, paper, etc. The bride's jewelry was made of gold. Don't put there the. Okay? The flowers were made of paper. Before the names of games and languages, I am learning to speak French. I play cricket with my friends. Okay, bache, I hope you understand these rules of article A and D. Read out 2-3 times and do more and more revision for your exam. Okay, bache, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.